Today we're going to go from this to this in just a few steps. So we'll start off in our 3D view, go to View, 3D View Options, 3D Projection Settings, Parallel Projections. We'll select Isometric. We want our azimuth to be 90. 3D Cutaway. Take from the top down, just finalize. Beautiful. Same thing from the bottom. Finalize. From here, go to Plan View, take your Marquee tool. We'll want to make sure the selection method is on all floors. Then we're just going to Marquee over this, right click, Show Marquee Area in 3D. Beautiful, we're looking good. From here, we want to save the 3D view. Right click up top, Save as View. I'm going to give it a custom name, ISO Ground. It'll end up just down the bottom right here. I'll want to create a duplicate of this, holding Control and dragging after I click it. You'll see a little plus pop up. Let go of my left click and we've got a duplicate. Double click just to make sure I'm in that 3D view. From here, I'll want to adjust the cut planes so it's above the roof. I'll go Finalize and I'll grab this bottom plane so it's just about where it was before. Finalize. To make sure this doesn't alter, right click, redefine current window setting. I'll also rename this just so it makes things a little bit clearer. To get them to this flat style, I'll want to go View, 3D View Options, 3D Styles. I've set mine up with these styles here. Feel free to copy them. Go OK, and we get that more simple, muted kind of color scheme. Again, let's duplicate, holding Control and releasing. I'm going to rename this one, and again, right click, redefine with current window settings. Let's do the same thing for the roof. Duplicate, I'll go into the roof, 3D View Options, Arc Styles with shadows. Again, just these ones here. Redefine with current window settings. Let's go to the layout book on a blank page, go to the view map, select both the 3Ds, click and drag. We'll drag them up. I'll line these up, which is going to make our next step easier. Let's click the roof, we'll bring it up. We don't have enough space. So again, let's rescale, click the bottom, click the top, and I'll just bring that down. Beautiful. Now what really sells an ISO are these little dashed lines. So we'll just go to say a nice thin dashed line and we'll connect up the top with the bottom. Maybe even this one here and this column here. Let's scroll out. Ooh, now the little final flourishing touch are these circles in the background. To make these, Arc/Circle tool, click in the middle, and we'll just make one like that. We can take the fill tool, fill the middle of it. We'll take the line, delete it, select our fill. We'll turn off the outline, and we'll make sure this is set to say 50% and whatever color you'd like. I'm going to go with an aqua blue, and we'll send that to the back. I'll duplicate this and bring it up just slightly above, and I'll make this one a gray just for a little bit more contrast. I've got the foreground set to color and the background set to transparent. But if you'd like to learn how to make colored floor plans, you can check out this video over here. And with that, we're done.